What's up, everybody? You already know it is. It's your boy Marketing with Dom. So please do me a favor. If you are one of my go-getters, give me a thumbs up right now on this video. And please make sure you watch it to the end because you truly want to know what this secret software can do for OnlyFans and how it can change your income. First of all, you're seeing the software in its movement right now. Okay, what is it doing is automatically following all my old expired fans, not for my page, but one of the pages that we run that makes really good money. This is actually the 5th page that I've done this on. The very first page that we did it took someone up to $6,000 more dollars. I wanted to make sure it worked first, to make sure that it actually matters. But imagine you didn't have to spend all of that time sitting there and following your old expired fans, and that you can get them all back. This is powerful. So there's a couple things that I want you to do for me if you want to take advantage of this opportunity. I need you to comment down below and say, yo, this shit is fire. But there's one more thing that it does for you, okay? Where it says auto follow bot, it actually always can also take a competitor of yours, another model, and follow all of their fans. It's a fucking game changer. So if you're looking to increase your income, if you're a beginner and you're just now trying to figure this out and you need to go get more people, you can go and follow somebody else's page's fans and then send them content as well. Or you can go and follow all your expired fans and send them money. It has literally changed the game for a couple of my creators, and I wanted to key this into a few people, and I didn't want to make this live and put the name on there because I didn't want a bunch of people to be able to pop in and just take it and share it everywhere and use it, because what I do know is about software, especially software like this, is they usually cap out a certain amount and they do not allow a bunch of people in there. And the reason why they do that is because when people start abusing software, like using it too much, people all around, the platform gets a gist of it. So right now, if you're watching this video and it's under 10,000 views, you are at the opportunity of a lifetime right now to use this and increase your income by thousands of dollars. Even if you're a beginner, you can go and follow other pages who have a bunch of fans and start following their fans and start sending them content and getting to know them. Or if you are a veteran page that has a bunch of expired fans, you can automatically do that and follow them as well, so you don't have to spend that time to do so. So do me a favor. I made this video really quick, and I'll do all the tutorials and stuff like that on the next page. You go down below right now, comment, say, yo, I'm fire fucking content. I'm taking this shit. I need this shit. I need it. I need to make money. And then go down into the bio and click marketingwithdom.co secret software, and then go opt into that page, and then I'll send you to a page where you'll automatically get the link. It's best for you to do it on your laptop because it is a login from a laptop. So if you don't have a laptop, you're really gonna have a hard time doing it because it's an extension, it's a plugin on Google Chrome, and you can go through this process and start actually following all your subscribers or following other people's subscribers to make yourself some money. All right, so go down below, click that link in the bio. I'll see you inside, man, and share this to fucking everybody that you fuck with, any of your groups, anybody that's share it now, because when it closes down and they do not allow more people in there, it's gonna be gone. All right, so I'll talk to you later. You already know it is. It's your boy Marco Dom, #1 OnlyFans trainer in the business. Let's go.